Hi friends, hola amigos, it's me, Miss Andrea. Today we are going to play with fruits and vegetables and learn about their colors. Ready, set, go! What is this? Yeah, it's a bucket. And what color are these labels? They are red. I wonder what is inside. Let's see. Look, it's a red tomato, a red strawberry, a red apple, and some raspberries. Yummy food. Moo. What sound is that? Moo. It's a cow. Moo, moo. I'm so hungry. I want to eat. The cow is hungry. She wants to eat. Which one do you want, cow? I want an apple. Okay, eat an apple. Yum, 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 yum. So yummy. Thank you so much. You're welcome. That's fine. Bye bye, cow. Mwah. We have another bucket. What color is this? Yeah, it's yellow. Let's see what is inside. A yellow pepper, some yellow corn, a yellow banana, and a yellow lemon. Nay, nay. Yeah, a horse. Nay. Are you hungry? Yeah, I wanna eat a banana. Okay, eat a banana. Yum, 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 yum. So yummy. Thank you so much. Okay, no problem. Bye bye, horse. Mwah. Adios. This is another bucket and it has the color green. Let's see what is inside. A green pepper, a green apple, some green broccoli, and a green cucumber. Oink, oink, oink. What sound is that? Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink. It's a piggy. Hi, pig. Hi, how are you? I'm so hungry. I want to eat. No problem. Which one do you want? I want a pepper. Eat the pepper. Yum, 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 yum. So yummy. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Bye bye. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Bye bye, piggy. We have another bucket. What color is this? Yeah, it's orange. Let's see what is inside. It's a pumpkin, a pepper, an orange fruit, and a carrot. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah, it's a sheep. Ba, ba. I'm so hungry too. I wanna eat. Okay, which one do you want? I want a carrot. Okay, this is a carrot. Eat. Yum, 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 yum. So yummy. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Bye bye, sheep. This is another bucket with a color purple. Let's see what is inside. An eggplant, some grapes, an onion, and a plum. Yummy, yummy. Clack, 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 clack. Yeah, the chicken. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Which one do you want? I want some grapes. Okay, eat chicken. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy, yummy. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Bye bye. Thank you so much for playing with me. Bye bye, friends. Mwah.